Hello students, in this video we are going to study the preparation of aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid. So the first here preparation of aldehyde and ketone, that is general method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone. So in the standard 11 and in the previous chapters, means in the previous chapter, that is from alcohol. So the oxidation of alcohol gives aldehyde and ketone, especially isobutylene on oxidation to form here ketone and then acetaldehyde, or many alcohols on oxidation they forms the aldehyde and ketones. Okay. Next one, that is the dehydration of alcohol. So dehydration of alcohol in presence of 40% sulfuric acid, they gives aldehyde and ketones. See the previous chapter in the action of or chemical reactions of alcohol in the oxidation as well as dehydration of alcohol. Then next one means in the 11th standard, in the chapter 15, that is in the hydrocarbon, here ozonolysis on ozonolysis of alkene gives first ozonide, and that ozonide on reaction with the Zn by hydrolysis they gives the aldehyde and ketone, corresponding aldehyde and ketone. See 11th chapter 11th textbook, chemistry textbook, in the chapter 15. Okay. Next one, that is the from alkyne. So here from alkyne, that is hydration of alkyne. So hydration of alkyne, that is in presence of 1% mercuric sulfate and 40% again sulfuric acid, then it gives the corresponding aldehyde and ketones. Okay. So these four methods, the general methods of preparation of aldehyde and ketone, they are seen in the previous chapter as well as they are seen in the they had been seen in the 11th standard. Okay. Now the preparation, general method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone from acyl preparation of aldehyde from acyl chloride. So what is acyl chloride? That acyl chloride means RC double bond OCl. This is called as acyl chloride. On hydrogenation in presence of palladium with BaSO4 or with any nickel or any catalyst which is used in the hydrogenation. Okay. So here RCOCl plus H2, one H combined with Cl to form here HCl. Then H combined here to form RC double bond OH, corresponding aldehyde. Okay. For example, here acetyl chloride, CH3 C double bond OCl. This is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride on hydrogenation in presence of again PdBaSO4, palladium BaSO4. So here HCl combined with this H to form HCl, and this Cl it gets replaced by H to form CH3 C double bond OH. This is called as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay. So next one, next preparation, that is preparation of ketone from again acyl chloride. Preparation of ketones from acyl chloride. First here RMgX. What is this RMgX? RMgX means this is the alkyl magnesium halide, and this is called as a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent plus CdCl2, cadmium chloride, to form here. Here twice MgX and this Cl combined here. Magnesium chloride or bromide or whatever halide. Okay. Then these two are combined with Ct to form R2CD, dialkyl cadmium. If it is R dash, then R2CD. That is dialkyl cadmium. Then here twice RC double bond OCl. This is called as acyl chloride. Plus now this R dash CD, dialkyl cadmium. Okay. Now these two are CO and this is 2 alkyl group. Means twice R C double bond O, here R dash, R C double bond O, R dash. This gives ketone. Okay, and now this 2Cl combined with CD to form here CdCl2, cadmium chloride. Okay, so this is the general method of preparation of ketone from here acyl chloride with the help of Grignard reagent. Okay, now we are going to discuss the example of this. Means how is dimethyl ketone obtained from acetyl chloride. Okay, so here twice CH3MgBr, Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium bromide, plus here CdCl2. If we take here Cl, then here Mg twice MgCl and this 2Cl to form MgCl2 twice, plus this 2CH3 combined with Cd to form CH3 twice Cd. This is called as dimethyl cadmium. Okay. Now dimethyl cadmium reacts with here twice CH3COCl. This is called as acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride plus here CH3 twice Cd, giving you. So here this 2Cl combined with this Cd to form again here CdCl2, and this 2CH3 combined with this spark of acetyl chloride to form here twice CH3C double bond or CH3 to form here acetone, or it is dimethyl ketone. Okay, so here if we take here methyl magnesium chloride to form dimethyl cadmium. Okay, but here instead of acetyl chloride, if we take here propynyl chloride, so C2H5CO CH3Cl, then we get here ethyl-methyl ketone. Okay, so the student, after watching this video, attempt the following questions. First question. First, how is acetaldehyde obtained from A. ethyl alcohol by oxidation, then B. second one, ethyl alcohol by dehydration, then C. ethylene, it is formed by ozonolysis. Okay, and D from acetylene. For the C and D, see the chemistry book, 11th chemistry book, chapter number 15. And for this A and B, see the previous chapter, that is alcohol, phenol and ether. Then E from acetyl chloride, and F, that is okay. Then second one, how is acetone prepared or obtained from A, isobutylene, B, secondary propyl alcohol, D, methyl magnesium bromide, E, acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Okay.